is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making pizza fries. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, I have grated parmesan cheese, ground black pepper, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and also some frozen French fries. Okay guys, you can go ahead and shred your mozzarella cheese, and it's always best to shred your own cheese because it melts better. So now I'm going to be using an air fryer for the French fries. Okay guys, I have my air fryer. I already put some of the fries in, so we're just going to cook them according to the package. Okay guys, in a medium to large skillet, you want to pour in your pizza sauce. We're going to let that warm up. Okay guys, my first batch is done, so I'm just going to empty them into a large bowl. The sauce has warmed up. We want to go ahead and put our mozzarella cheese over top. Make sure your sauce is on a low setting. You have your cheese on top. We're going to put some Italian seasoning on. Now you can begin to layer your pepperoni on. Now you just want to let it heat up until all your cheese is nice and melted. Okay guys, I'm done with my second batch. Put it into the bowl also. Okay guys, now I'm going to season my fries, and you guys can add salt if you want to. I'm not adding any. I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder in, some Italian seasoning, some ground black pepper, and also some grated Parmesan cheese. All you want to do is go ahead and toss them around and make sure they're nicely coated. Okay guys, now I have a easy cleanup aluminum tray, which I'm going to pour my fries onto. But you guys can use a large dish if you prefer. I'm going to pour your fries on there. You want to make sure they're in an even layer. So we're just going to go ahead and spread them out. Okay guys, now your cheese should be nicely melted. We're just going to begin to pour our sauce over top of our fries. Look at that. Okay guys, now you can grab a fork and dig in. Look how cheesy that is. Guys, it tastes really good. It's a little messy, but it's worth it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?